Hello friends, today we're going to make a very special treat that may remind you of one of the farm animals we learned about last week. That special treat is called pigs in a blanket. It's very simple, very easy, and very delicious. So if you're ready, let's get started. For this, you will need parchment paper, a cooking sheet, pizza roller, croissants, I like Pillsbury, and little sausages. And also you'll need scissors to open your package and just a cutting board or something that you can prepare your croissant, your pig in a blanket. So, if you're ready, let's get started.
Just a reminder, this activity requires adult supervision, and don't forget to wash your hands.
I've already opened my ingredients and I've already cut some of my triangles. So basically I'm gonna roll these out, and then what I do, you already have some cut, but the croissants are a little bit too big for my little sausages. So I make me another cut to make the croissants a little bit smaller. You take them apart so that you can have smaller triangles for your sausages. And once you have all your triangles made, then you're going to start rolling. You're going to take at least one of your croissants and you're gonna roll it up like you're wrapping a baby in a blanket. Just like that. So let's do the rest. We're gonna put our pig in the blanket in the oven on 375 for 10 minutes. So let's do that.
So this is a final view of what our pig in the blankets look like. They came out very good and very delicious. So I hope you and your family enjoy making this delicious treat at home. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel.
Don't forget to subscribe.